We begin with new developments in the case of the botched Harding Street raid. A federal court hearing just wrapping up for former Houston police officer Stephen Bryant.
He just entered a guilty plea to federal charges in connection to that 2019 raid that left 2 people dead. KPRC2's Sophia Ojeda watched that federal hearing and has the latest update.
Former HPD officer Stephen Bryant appeared in federal court this morning. He pleaded guilty to destruction or falsification of records in federal investigations and bankruptcy, a federal charge in connection to the botched Harding Street raid in January 2019. Bryant appeared in federal court through a Zoom link. Now, as part of the plea deal, Bryant admitted to falsifying records in the federal investigation in the Harding Street raid that killed Regina Nicholas and Dennis Tuttle. In a police report, Bryant falsely claimed he assisted former officer Gerald Goines by identifying a brown powdery substance, heroin, that he got from Goines' vehicle. He claimed those were the drugs purchased at the home of Nicholas and Tuttle. Federal prosecutors said Goines also falsely claimed the drugs were purchased from the home by a confidential informant. Prosecutors say those false claims led to the no-knock warrant at the home of Nicholas and Tuttle, which ultimately ended in their deaths. Brian, Goines, and 4 other officers also face felony charges in connection to the raid. Goines also faces a federal murder charge. Now, as part of the plea deal, Stephen Bryant still faces 20 years in prison and a $250,000 fine. He is expected to be sentenced on August 24th. He is currently out on bond. We'll have more on this breaking story on later editions of KPRC2 News, both on air and online at click2houston.com. Reporting downtown, Sophia Ojeda, KPRC2 News.